Tudor made a really great splash with their new model with Black Bay Pro, and this is incredible watch, and I already ordered. I hope they will come pretty soon to me. I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to try it on my wrist. Today I will be talking about something else that they introduced and that people didn't notice that much. They introduced something new and something big that I'm really excited about. Tudor made a pretty big splash in the media and blogosphere with their new model, the all-new Black Bay Pro. This is the watch that everyone wanted from Tudor and no one wanted, if it makes sense. Basically, people wanted a new GMT model in the Black Bay 58 case, but no one saw this coming, that they will create a remake of vintage Rolex Explorer 2, the Steve McQueen Rolex. Well, I actually still will be waiting for them to make a Pepsi version of Black Bay Pro. Anyway, this watch made the headlines, followed by the Black Bay GMT Rootbeer version, which is also a very cool new model. I like it a lot, but it is still too big for my wrist. But looks like a lot less people noticed or talking about the update Tudor made to their Black Bay 32, 36, 41 line. Well, it's not exactly an update, and this whole situation looks a bit strange to me.
It's strange. Baby, who am I to judge?
So what happened? Along with the new regular Black Bay 32, 36, 31 line during the Watches and Wonders 2022, Tudor introduced a new line within the line. It is two-tone stainless steel and gold Black Bay watches. They come in 32, 36, 41 and, wait for it, 39mm cases. The watches feature steel and gold two-tone variants, some with diamonds. So what's so great about it? First of all, the new 39mm case size. I remember when I was shopping for my Black Bay watch, I had a hard time to choose between 36mm and 41mm case sizes. I remember wishing there were an option with 38, 39mm case sizes. So now we have it in the two-tone version for now, but I'm hoping they will expand model variants to the stainless steel and black dial. Second, they improved the bracelet. In all new models, you'll have Jubilee style bracelet with the updated clasp and the Rolex style Tudor logo on the clasp. Third, and probably the most important, this new line of watches comes with the new in-house movement, 70 hours of power reserve and COSC certified. My Black Bay 41 is most likely with ETA movement, could be Celita too, and has 36 hours of power reserve. I can say that I'm pretty happy with the movement, despite the fact that it's not in-house. It works fine and the accuracy is great. But with the new in-house movement, this line is getting to another level. So I think this is a very important addition to the Black Bay line. For now, you have them all presented on the Tudor website. You have the line you love and know, Black Bay 32, 36, 41, with non-in-house movements, and you have additional two-tone line of the watches with additional 39mm case variant, and the in-house Calibre MT5602 COSC certified. For the guy who was debating great deal between the two sizes 36 and 41, I am very happy to see the new option with 39. Yes, it's only available in two-tone right now, but I'm hoping to see a stainless steel version in the near future. That would be my perfect Explorer spirited everyday watch. Just imagine these specs: simple design, black dial, stainless steel, 39mm case size, Jubilee or Oyster style updated bracelet, in-house COSC certified movement with 70 hours of power reserve. You have a winner. That's why I think this is a very important addition to the Tudor watch lines. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next time. Take care.